Create a place in the garden for unforgettable experiences. Build a treehouse for your children. Having their own space where adults are not allowed is a dream for almost every child. Ask your child if they would like a treehouse, and their eyes will probably light up with joy. Building a treehouse doesn't have to be complicated, and unlike plastic ones, this one will last for generations. Check out some ideas and tips ranging from simple to modern treehouses, and get inspired. Choosing the right tree is absolutely essential for building the treehouse. You need a healthy, strong tree, not too young, but not too old either. The best trees are oaks, maples, firs, and apple trees. The tree should have a thick trunk, well-established roots, and should be free of diseases and parasites. When building, keep in mind that the tree will continue to grow, so leave enough space around the trunk. The floor of the treehouse should be no more than 2 meters above the ground, considering children's use and the risk of falling. It's a good idea to soften the ground beneath the treehouse with materials like wood chips to cushion any potential falls.